look at this question. Bet she or he dash present. What do you think the appropriate option would be? Is, are, am, where. Now, one of the mistakes students would make is to consider this as more than one noun. No. Whenever group of nouns and pronouns are separated with comma and or, the last noun or pronoun should be considered in the choice of verb. Therefore, you leave out the others and consider this. Will it be he, we are present, or he, am present, or he, are present, or he is present? Of course, he is present. So the right option is. Now look at this second question. Can dad or I dash around? Again, leave out these other ones. Use the last noun or pronoun to make your decision of the right verb to choose. I, where, around. I am around. I are around. I is around. Of course, I am around. I hope you learned something new today. Please like our videos, follow us on Facebook, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button so that when new videos are uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you.